All right, so I'm about to do my new project. It's been a minute because I have been working on so many things, but I wanted to take a second to do something for me, which I've been wanting to do. I've got these printed at the Office Depot, these pictures that I had of myself and the phone that I did not want to lose. So I'm going to put them on these here. I got these a while ago too. These are 11 by 14 art canvases. So this is going to be fun, and I'm going to make my own Mod Podge out of the glue. So hey, I'll show you as I go. Got me some spray paint, so I'm gonna spray paint the edges, the rims black. So I'll be back in a minute.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, so now I'm getting ready to, I just measured out my pictures, which one would fit on there, and that's the only one I'm not going to do because I don't feel like going back outside to spray paint this a little bit wider. So I'm going to leave that one. But this, I'm about to get the Mod Podge that I just mixed up with my glue and water, and I'm about to put this together. So I'll be back. So here's how my projects came out. These two are the ones that I didn't use the Mod Podge on the top of, and these are the ones that I did, and they came out with the wrinkles. So I don't like that. That was the very first one I did, and that was the second one that got ruined. So these are without the Mod Podge on the top of them and the frames. So these are the ones that'll be hung up, and I'll have to redo the other two. So these are the only two that I like. That was a try and fail, but it's done. My project is done. That's it. Later.